Okay, what do you say to Aunt Mimi?
No,
Georgia, can you say Mimi?
Mimi.
Aunt Mimi?
I don't want.
Mimi. Say happy birthday, Mimi. Happy birthday, Mimi.
Say happy birthday to Aunt Mimi.
Okay. Say it.
Not like that.
Like what? Mimi?
Mimi. I need to
Mimi?
do it like that.
Say hey. Can you wave and say hey, Mimi?
Hey.
Hey. Blow kiss? Oh, fishy face. Oh, fishies, fishies. Oh! Oh, bother.
Say happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
To you.
Happy birthday.
Aunt Mimi.
Stop doing it!
Aunt Mimi's going to be pissed off when she sees this crappy birthday video.
You're don't to sing it.
Okay, then start over. I won't sing at all.
Mimi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aunt Mimi. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Now blow her a kiss, and what do you say? Love you, Aunt
I
Memes.
love you, Aunt Mimi.
Bye, Georgia. Can you say bye-bye? Oh, blowing kisses. Do fishy
Mommy,
face.
can you help me turn on the light?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.